Want studio-grade audio without the hassle? Your mic matters, especially when your voice is your content. From busy streets to echoey rooms, background noise and gear limitations can ruin your recordings. You need a mic that's crisp, cordless, and camera-ready. Here are the 5 reasons why this 3-in-1 lavalier microphone gives you a competitive advantage as a content creator. Number 5. Broadcast-grade noise-canceled audio. An onboard DSP removes hiss and rumble, while 3-tone presets, natural, low, high, and a windproof cotton sleeve keep voices clear even in noisy or echo-heavy environments. Number 4. True 3-in-1 plug-and-play receiver. The receiver plugs directly into iPhone, Android, DSLR camera, laptop, or tablet. No adapters, apps, or extra cables. Just slide, record, and go. Number 3. All-day stamina up to 20 hours. Each transmitter lasts around 10 hours. Use both and you get 20 hours total. Plus, pass-through charging keeps your phone and receiver powered while you record. Number 2. This thing can still connect a football field away from its receiver with reliable connection and ultra-low latency. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz transmission, you get reliable audio up to 328 feet away with almost zero lag. Ideal for walking and talking, B-roll shoots, or conference coverage. Number 1. Dual clip-on transmitters plus creative onboard controls. 2 clip-on mics let you record dual speakers during interviews. And with built-in reverb and instant mute controls, you get real-time creative adjustments without touching your device menus. Need crisp audio on the move without the fuss? This Bailixin setup might be your answer. What gear should we test next? Drop a comment and hit subscribe for more smart pick reviews.